patterns, and runway lights is a sketchbook filled with creativity waiting to walk the rank. Then it's time to run your passion into a profession. Welcome to Vivekananda College of Skill Development, where design meets discipline and creativity meets career. This is a comprehensive 1 or 2 year skill-based program crafted for budding designers like you. From understanding textile to creating your own fashion collection, you will learn everything it takes to make your mark in the fashion industry. Whether you dream of becoming a fashion designer, stylist, merchandiser, or starting your own label, this course opens the door to the fashion industry. Why choose Vivekananda College of Skill Development? Experienced faculty, hands-on university training, modern labs and designing studies, internship support, placement assistant. Open to all students who have completed 10th or 12th, no prior experience needed, just your creativity and passion. Fashion is just not about what you wear, it's about how you express yourself. So why wait? Unleash your style and shape your future with our diploma in fashion and apparel design.